Dear friend, today I am going to show you how to DIY frame photo by using paper quilling. You will need the following tools. Remove the back frame cover. Place it on the cardboard. Use pencil to trace the photo frame size. Now cut it out. Glue the photo and paste it on the cardboard. Put the photo into the frame. Cover the photo edge with color paper. Let's prepare the decoration items. Flower, leaf, tie coil, loose coil, firstly, we create a flower petal. Take orange 39 cm length paper strip and rolling a tie coil. Put it into mold diameter of 15 mm to create a loose coil. Now we stick the end part with white glue. We take yellow 39 cm length paper strip and rolling a tie coil. Put it into mold diameter of 17 mm. For create this lovely flower, we need 4 orange and 8 yellow coils. We have to create a marquise shape. Let's pinch each opposite end of paper. For the yellow coil, we have to create a teardrop curve shape. Stick it together. Take one 39mm length yellow strip. Fold the paper strip into half. Make small slits. Now rolling a tight coil. Use the tweezer to adjust the slits. Take a green 39cm length paper strip and rolling a tight coil. Put it into mold diameter of 15mm to create a loose coil. Stick the ink part with white glue. We have to create a marquise shape. Let's pinch each opposite end of paper. It looked like a leaf now. Take two 10cm length paper strip. One is green color and another is light green. We would like to create a gradient effect. Roll 3/4 length of paper strip. slowly release to create loose coil. We need 3 types of lengths paper strip to create tight coil. Take a paper strip and rolling a tight coil. Stick the end part with white glue. Take a 39 cm length pink paper strip and rolling a tight coil. Put it into mold diameter of 22 mm to create a loose coil. Stick the end part with white glue. We are create this coil with different paper strip length and colors. I am doing a small coil with paper strip length about 20 centimeters. Put it into mold diameter of 16 millimeters. Now, we are ready with the decorative items. Now, we are ready to glue it.